Hey guys, I'm going to install this heavy-duty padlock bolt onto my shed. So it's gonna be my first YouTube video, and let's see how it goes. So first things first, we want to cut it open. Now that we got it open, we want to basically lay it out on how we want this to be laid out onto our shed. So I'm thinking we probably want to go about something like that, coming across here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this side first, since I know that this is how high I want it. Then I'll put this piece at the end. So first things first, I want to mark out where I want to put this bolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out where the holes are. I'm going to pre-drill those in. Like so. So I'm just going to use a 7/32 drill bit to do my pilot holes. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so my pilot holes are drilled out. Going to fasten them down with the supplied screws. So there's 5. I'm gonna get 6 out. Put my Phillips bit in. So what I'll do is I'll line up the bolt to the holes first, and then set one screw in. and just gotta do the rest. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Clears everything I need. Just gonna tighten this one up. Alright, for the last part, I just need to put in the last bracket, which will go right about here. So what I'll do is I'll extend it full, line it up where I want to mark it, and then same thing, just need to put my pilot hole in. Pilot hole does make it a lot easier to put those screws in afterwards, so highly recommend it. Get out of the way. Those are done. We're just gonna put my Phillips bit back in and finish off that mounting. So I got 4 screws ready to go. Just need to position it. And then line up the last 3. I typically do the cross bolting technique, which is just going diagonal. And then the last screw. Alright, so there you go. That is locked and done. So I can add a padlock to this little loop here or above, depending on how how you like your lock position. Anyways, there you go. That's how it's done.